If you're like me, you love eggs and you make thousands of scrambled, fried, over easy, poached, whatever it is, eggs. I'm gonna focus on scrambled and fried and over easy eggs today, maybe omelets, and really all about making those eggs to be non-stick in the pan that you're using. I've tried them all. I've tried HexClad, I've tried traditional non-stick, cast iron, stainless steel, and for my money, I've found that the best one that I currently use the most is this one. This is a large carbon steel pan, and it is absolutely fabulous for making all kinds of eggs. And not just eggs, but really anything. I make bacon, I make pancakes, I make pretty much anything for my family. And it's great because it doesn't have forever chemicals and those nasty coatings. And unlike a cast iron pan, it's not super heavy. So check out me making a fried egg right now and just see how easy it is and how non-stick it is. Fried egg play-by-play, let's go. First thing we do, obviously, is to turn on the burner. Get this pan good and hot before anything else. Once the pan is nice and hot, we're gonna go ahead and grab our fat that we're gonna use to cook the egg in. In my case, I love butter. I think it adds a nice flavor. Pan is hot, butter's hot. Let's add the star of the show, one delicious organic egg from Costco. Look at that, sizzling begins, the cooking starts. Let's give it a second. Now that the egg has had a chance to cook, we're going to go ahead and give it a whirl in the pan, see if it is truly conforming to our non-stick rule here, and it looks like it is. This is a fantastic example. The egg is just sliding around. It is looking good, so I think we've got a successful egg cook here. All right, so seeing is believing, right? Could you believe that this pan can actually, it's metal, there's no coating, it's a little bit seasoned, but could you believe the non-stick properties we saw? I mean, I still can't believe that this works just as well as like a HexClad or any of those non-stick coated pans. Very inexpensive on Amazon. You get a lot of bang for your buck. And let me know what you think. What is your favorite way to make eggs on a non-stick pan? What is your non-stick pan of choice? I don't know if I'm gonna make another non-stick video again, but I feel very passionately about this pan just because I use it so darn much, and I want everyone to start using carbon steel just because it is the best of all worlds, in my opinion. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.